Hello everyone, this is Shiraz Ahmed Khan, your host. Viewers, today we are going to solve the task 14b, and in order to perform this task we are required to open the task 14a. So first of all, you all are requested to open the task 14a, and what we are going to do is, last time we learned how to create styles. Today we'll continue this practice. We'll create three more new styles, and along with this we will see some more options regarding the creation of the styles, and along with the creation of the styles and storing them in the style span. Today we'll also learn how to use or apply these styles into our document. So first of all, let's open the task 14a that we saved last time, and the first thing that we are asked is to add the text Winter Wonderland or Boy as a new main heading at the start of the document. In order to do that, place the cursor before the sentence Winter weather forces schools to close and press the enter key to insert a blank line, and now type here the heading, the new heading Winter Wonderland or Boy. So that's it. So this was the first part of the task, to enter a new main heading before the already heading we had. Now we are going to create three more styles, and as per suggestion, before you start creating the house styles, first of all, it's a recommendation, it's the best practice to place the cursor at the end of the document so that the styles won't be applied anywhere. So let's start the creation of the first style, and in order to do that, in the home tab, in the style span, click this small arrow. It will launch the style span onto the right side of your window, and now click the new style button from this span, and the name of this style, I'm giving it the name heading. Style type, it's paragraph styles based on. Viewers, it's always good practice to choose no style if you don't want to base the style that you are creating, if you don't want to base it on to any other style, then it's the best practice to choose no style from this, and style for the following paragraph, once again choose the normal for that. So it's always recommended to follow these instructions. The reason is, otherwise, if the style that you're creating right now, if it is not based on to any other style, then always choose no style. Otherwise, some of the configurations or the settings of the styles onto which your style is based on, it will be carried onto this newly created style. So for this style, the font style should be the sans serif. Sans serif means, as we discussed last time, it's without curves. So I have chosen Arial for that, and the size should be 24, and its alignment should be right. Enhancement should be bold and italic. Line spacing should be single. This is the default one, but I'll prove it later on that I'll show you that it's single by default. And spacing after should be 6 point. So in order to set the spacing after, click the format button given at the bottom left corner of this dialog box and choose the paragraph option. And from here you can see that the spacing, it's already set to after 10 points, and reduce it to 6 points. And look at the line spacing. Line spacing should be single, so click this and choose single. So now all the settings are chosen. Finally click this OK button, and before clicking this OK button, do not forget to click automatically update. I'll come back to this point in the later videos. So click this automatically update and finally click the OK button. Look, The cursor, basically the settings are applied and this style is applied, but because the cursor was placed at the end of the document, so the settings were applied onto the blank area. Now the next style we are going to create, it's for the subheading, so give it name subheading, and once again choose no style from it and choose normal, or you can choose the from the this list, choose normal. And again for this, the settings should be, the font style should be Arial, that is sans serif, and the font size should be 16. Alignment should be center. Enhancement should be just underline. It shouldn't be bold and italic, so uncheck these two options. And line spacing should be single. Choose single, and spacing after should be 6 point. So again, click the format button, go to the paragraph option and reduce it to 6 points and make sure that the line spacing is set to single. Finally click OK button, click automatically update, and finally click the OK button again. So we have successfully created two new house styles. Now the third house style is for the body text. Click the new style button again and type body text. Because body text it's already there, so choose any other option. So I have chosen body text 1. It's not based on anything. Normal. And now font style should be serif. Serif means with curves, so choose Times New Roman for that. And the font size should be 11, and alignment should be left, that is a default one. There is no enhancement, so uncheck this underline. And line spacing should be single, so click this single, and the spacing after should be 11 point. So again click format, paragraph, and increase it to 11 points. So finally click the OK button, automatically update, and OK. So viewers, the first half of the lecture is over, that we have successfully created and stored 3 new house styles. Now we are going to learn how to use or how to apply these styles. So heading style should be applied onto the headings of this document. There is only one heading in this document. So in order to apply heading style onto this, first of all select this heading, and in order to apply the heading style onto it, seek the heading style from the styles pane and just click. Look, all the things that we set for the heading style, they are applied onto this heading. So it was so simple to apply a style after its creation. Now I am selecting the subheading. We have two subheadings in this document. You can select both of them together, or you can select them one by one. So select the first subheading, and again into the style, from the styles pane, find the subheading style that we have just created and click onto it. Subheading style is applied onto it. Now again select the second subheading and again click the subheading option, the subheading style from the styles pane. Now it's the time to apply the body text style onto the body of this our document. So I'm selecting the first paragraph and click the body text style. The body text settings are applied. Again click the second paragraph, body text, third paragraph, body text. Body text means, viewers, anything except the tables. So I'm selecting the paragraphs one by one. You can once again select them together with the help of control button and the left mouse button. So viewers, we have successfully completed this task. Now finally save this task with the new name, that is task 14B, onto the same source files folder of this chapter, task 14b, and finally click the save button. So viewers, let's quickly recapitulate that what we have learned today. Last time we learned how to create house styles. Today we added few more options in the creation process, and we added one more thing into it, that how to, once the styles are created, how to apply the house styles onto anything. And in order to do that, just select that text or whatever it is and click that particular style from the styles pane. So viewers, before leaving, do not forget to subscribe my channel and do not forget to like this video. Thank you very much. Hope to see you again. Goodbye.